You're a good wedding guest. Of course, marunong kang mag-RSVP, magka-confirm kung pupunta at magde-decline kung hindi ka available. You're a good wedding guest. Of course, marunong kang sumunod sa dress code, yung nakalagay sa wedding invitation. You're a good wedding guest. Of course, hindi ka magsasama ng plus one or ng mga uninvited wedding guests. You're a good wedding guest, kaya hindi ka tatawid sa aisle. You're a good wedding guest. Kaya kapag nakita mo yung unplugged ceremony, hindi ka gagamit ng gadgets or ng cellphones habang ongoing ang ceremony. You're a good wedding guest. Of course, alam mong hindi tungkol sa'yo ang event na ito kundi para sa bride at groom. Kaya naman walang proposal, hindi ka mag-a-announce ng iyong pregnancy, at lalong hindi ka gagawa ng toxic family drama. You're a good wedding guest. Of course, congratulations or best wishes ang sasabihin mo sa couple at hindi mo sila ichichismis. You're a good wedding guest. Kaya naman you are genuinely happy sa pagpapakasal ng bride at groom.